Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the dark mode in cTrader in Android. First, open the cTrader app on your Android device and sign into your trading account if you are not already logged in. Now, tap on the menu icon inside the app. Depending on the version you are using, this menu can appear either at the top left corner or at the bottom of the screen. After that, go to the Settings option from the menu. This section allows you to control the app's display, layout, and general preferences. Next, scroll down and find the Appearance or Theme option. Then tap on it to open the theme settings. Here, select Dark Mode to change the app interface to a darker color, which is easier on the eyes, especially in low light conditions. Once selected, the theme usually applies instantly. If it does not change right away, close the cTrader app completely and then reopen it so the dark mode is applied properly. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.